Today we are reviewing 6.1 to 6.5, so that is Tuesday and Wednesday's work. So I wanted to go over a couple different things here. As you can see, I've got a lot of notes written down. So the first thing I want to do is how to find a central angle. So this is central angle, okay? That's what that formula is for. And that's you just do 360 divided by the number of sides. On the flip side, you could do 360 divided by the angle to find the number of sides. Don't forget that. This is for an interior angle of a regular polygon. So you're going to do the number of sides minus 2 times 180 divided by the number of sides. Or you can use these two handy dandy little facts right here. Central angles and exterior angles are equal. Okay? They are equal to each other. So if it tells you the exterior angle, that is the same as your central angle. Central angles and interior angles are supplementary. This means that they add together to equal 180. So if you have the central angle and you're trying to find the interior angle, you can subtract this from 180. Or vice versa. If you have the interior and you're looking for the central, you can subtract that from 180. Okay? Couple definitions for you. The apothem is perpendicular to the side of the regular polygon. The radius is equal to the side and it goes to a vertex. Okay, so the apothem is perpendicular to the side, the radius is equal to the side, and it goes to a vertex. So the radius is the one that meets at one of the angles in the regular polygon. Couple formulas for you. I didn't specify this, but I was figuring you would get here just in case you didn't. The perimeter of a regular polygon is equal to the number of sides times the length of one of its sides. Okay, typical perimeter stuff, but I just wanted to specify just in case you guys got really confused or confused yourselves or thought that you were trying to get some complicated formula. It's not that way. It's just simply the number of sides times the length of the side. The area of a regular polygon is equal to 1/2 its apothem times its perimeter. See what I put that here? I put that there just so that you could see, oh hey, that's how I find the perimeter, in case you forget. I put some ratios here for similar polygons. So the perimeter of the first divided by the perimeter of the second is equal to the ratio of the side of the first divided by the side of the second, or the radius of the first divided by the radius of the second, or the apothem of the first divided by the apothem of the second. All of these ratios are going to be equal to each other. The one that is different is area. The area of similar polygons is going to equal to the square of the sides, or the square of the perimeters, square of the radii, square of the apothems. Whatever you are given to find the areas, you just take the square of it. Okay? So real quick, how to find that. If a central angle of a polygon is 45 degrees, how many sides does it have? Okay, to find this, I'm going to do 360 divided by 45, and I'm going to end up with 8 as my answer. So I'm going to put 8 sides. Okay? Another type of question. So if a polygon has 7 sides, what is its interior angle measure? Okay, so I'm going to show you a shortcut for this one. What I would simply do here is I would do 180 minus 360 divided by 7. Okay, so 360 divided by 7, 7 goes into 36, 5 times with 1 left over, 7 goes into that 1 time, 3 left over. So that's going to be about 51.4. So I would do 180 minus 51.4, and I would end up with 128 0.6 degrees as my central angle. Okay, so I would actually use the fact that the interior angle and the central angle are supplementary to find that interior angle. It makes it a little bit quicker. Instead of having to go back up here and doing the n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, it's a little simpler of a step. You just do division and then you subtract that number by 180. So you do 180 minus that number, okay? You're going to have a couple of different quizzes this week, so you're going to have to know both of these, this information right here, this information right here, how similar polygons, ratios set up, and how to find the area, okay? Make sure you study this information, and tomorrow we are going to jump into circles and circumference. So it should be review from what you know, but we are also going to learn sector or section of a circle, so the length of a arc length, so the length of a sector on the circumference. So it's gonna be really kind of fun. Okay, see you tomorrow.